Hi, mathematicians. Miss Ennis here. Today, we're going to finish reviewing subtraction by using a new math tool. Maybe a tool you've never thought of using before. Does anyone know the name of that thing on your screen? Have you ever seen one of those at home? That's called an egg carton. Maybe mom or dad buys it at the grocery store and that's what your eggs come in. We're going to be using an egg carton today, kind of like a tens frame, because guess how many eggs are in that egg carton on your screen? Let's count them together. Ready? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that egg carton holds 10 eggs, just like a tens frame would. So if you look at our screen, how many eggs are we starting with here? 10. But uh-oh. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 eggs got broken. I want to write a number sentence to match this picture. So the first thing I did, I made a representation just like the egg carton. So I drew 10 eggs. You can see them there. So I'm going to cross off the ones that got broken, just like the picture. So when I go to write my equation, I know I started with 10 eggs. Take away, or minus, how many got broken? Well, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 were broken. Equals, or makes, how many eggs would be left? Count them on your screen with me. Ready? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That would give us 6 eggs left. Nice work, mathematicians. You're going to try 2 more of these problems on the next 2 slides. You can either tell your caregiver at home the number sentence to match, or you can practice writing a number sentence like Miss Ennis. Great work today, guys. I'm so proud of you.